The Satsop River flowing through Washington's Olympic Peninsula is a lifeline for local communities, salmon, and steelhead. Its health is vital, but forest and large wood removal, floodplain development, and invasive plants have caused significant habitat degradation and extreme bank erosion. Community members took notice of the need to restore the benefits afforded by this precious watershed.
The Satsop River is a really important waterway for both the local community and regionally because of the salmon species that live in it, as well as the really rich, fertile floodplain here that supports the agricultural community.
Our soils are 18 feet deep before we hit any rock down there, and is some of the best growing soils in the state of Washington.
Well, the Satsop River and many other local bodies of water and such are a challenge to begin with, and you cannot do anything on your own. A county commissioner can't do anything on their own, the conservation district can't do anything on their own, and a lot of the farm owners can't do anything on their own. You've got to be able to come together and collaborate and partner for solutions that may help your neighbor a little bit more than they help you. But the big thing is to work together, come to an agreement on what we're going to do. It may be phased, it may be different stages of the process, but you have to have that collaboration.
In 2018, the community worked together to develop a comprehensive investment plan. This plan, backed by partners and experts at the local and state level, aims to reduce risks to aquatic habitat, agriculture, and infrastructure by restoring vital natural functions of the river. The plan prioritizes nature-based solutions that work with the river's substantial power instead of against it. Many of the proposed projects use engineered log jams and extensive native plantings in order to give the river the tools it will need to maintain a healthy balance into the future. These efforts work together to heal the river from its headwaters down to the river mouth.
These are really difficult problems to fix because rivers they don't just have one stakeholder or one landowner. You have multiple landowners with lots of different interests. So if you're going to try to address erosion on one side of the river, you have to understand how it might affect your upstream and downstream neighbors and the people that live on the other side of the river. Because if you do something on one side of it, you don't want to bounce the problem to someone else. So you have to do what we call reach scale projects, where multiple miles long and that look at the entire floodplain, not just one small segment of it. And then you also have to do things that aren't just good for the fish, but are good for the farming community and vice versa. That's what makes it difficult, because you have to get everyone on the same page, but it also makes it really rewarding because we're able to do some big ambitious projects.
These projects were never construed with the idea of controlling floodwaters. Floods we have no problem with. Those are something that happens every 2 or 3 years. We're not making any more farmland. Once it's gone forever. And anytime we can keep some more dirt out of the river, got to be helping the salmon and stuff.
Collaboration is key to the success of the investment plan. From local communities and agricultural landowners to government agencies and tribal nations, a diverse coalition was needed to develop and fund the implementation of the plan. Together, they laid the groundwork for lasting restoration and resilience.
It's been a very collaborative effort, and in order to make progress, you've got to have everybody in the same boat rowing together, and that's really what we've done.
The Satsop Valley is a pretty incredible dynamic landscape that has abundant natural resources, and we want to continue to have those abundant resources into the future, which is why this investment plan was so critical to stabilize and work with the river so that it's both stable and dynamic into the future.
Thank you to our dedicated partners for your vital role in putting our community-based plan into action to restore the Satsop River. If you would like to learn more or explore a potential voluntary natural resources project on your property, please visit the Grays Harbor Conservation District website.